last night, we busted one of the suspects of the alleged illegal drugs that were circulated in that Pasay MOA concert. We gathered information that alias Jos is one among the groups who peddle drugs doon po sa Pasay concert. Tiningnan po natin yung movement nitong alias Jos na ito. Tiningnan din po natin ang background niya. And we are so fortunate that in 2014, he was already arrested by the NBI Anti-Illegal Drugs Division for selling green amore and green apple suspected to be illegal drugs. Minonitor po natin yung kanyang galaw, yung kanyang peers, and we are so fortunate that last Thursday, may informant po na dumating sa ating office at sinabing magdadaos daw po uli ang grupo ni alias Jos ng isang event, rave party, so to speak. Nilaliman po namin yung aming investigation, nakita po natin sa Facebook na lumalabas na isa si Jos sa mga organizers dito sa nasabing rave party which should have been held last night and tonight. Isa sa ilalim po natin siya sa inquest proceedings this afternoon after we have prepared all the necessary documents.